Designed by master craftsmen in Japan, the Mazda CX-60 embodies over 100 years of Mazda's dedication to innovation and quality. With its all-wheel drive capability and advanced driver-centric technologies, this SUV is ready to take you on any adventure. Explore refined elegance inspired by Japanese heritage and discover a vehicle that truly feels like home, anywhere in the world. The Mazda CX-60's bold design represents 100 years of Mazda's innovation and craftsmanship. With its distinct Japanese aesthetics and kodo, soul of motion design philosophy, the CX-60 exudes noble toughness. Its striking presence signals the next generation of Mazda's design excellence. The Mazda CX-60 plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV, offers more than just efficiency. With ultra-low CO2 emissions starting from 32 g/km and an 8% benefit-in-kind (BIK) rate, it's an economical choice for both business and personal use. Equipped with the eSkyActiv D diesel engine, the CX-60 offers excellent fuel efficiency and low emissions without compromising power. The 3.3-liter inline-six engine delivers smooth torque and a thrilling driving experience. The Mazda CX-60 has a towing capacity of up to 2,500 kilograms, making it ideal for hauling large caravans. The robust hitch is engineered to handle vertical loads of up to 100 kilograms, ensuring stability and safety on the road. With its powerful all-wheel drive and towing mode, the CX-60 can easily transport a 2-horse trailer. Mazda's Mi-Drive system optimizes performance for heavier loads, providing confidence on every journey. Whether it's a boat or other outdoor gear, the CX-60 is ready for adventure. A simple button press hides the tow hitch seamlessly when it's no longer needed. Take your cycling adventures further with the CX-60's bicycle carrier. Designed for up to 2 heavy e-bikes, it's lightweight and easy to mount. Plus, PHEV models include a 1.500W AC socket, making bike charging simple and convenient. The CX-60's plug-in hybrid system combines a powerful petrol engine with an electric motor for up to 39.77 miles of pure electric driving. This makes it one of the few SUVs in its class to qualify for an 8% BIK bracket. The CX-60's interior is a masterpiece of simplicity and sophistication. Using high-quality materials, the design creates a serene and functional space where every detail serves a purpose, ensuring comfort for both driver and passengers. Enjoy an immersive audio experience with a 12-speaker Bose surround sound system, featuring cutting-edge noise compensation and signal processing for crystal-clear sound. Parking and low-speed maneuvers are now safer and easier with the 360 degrees view monitor. For exterior cameras, provide a seamless view of your surroundings, available as part of the convenience pack. Facial recognition technology personalizes your experience by automatically restoring over 250 driver preferences, such as seat position, climate settings, and audio preferences. The 12.3-inch color center display is angled perfectly towards the driver for easy visibility, helping you stay focused on the road ahead. The My Mazda app simplifies car ownership by tracking maintenance schedules, service history, and offering useful how-to videos for optimizing your driving experience. The advanced Smart Brake Support system helps prevent accidents by alerting the driver of potential collisions. It can even apply the brakes automatically to minimize or avoid impacts. The CX-60 comes equipped with rear airbags, curtain airbags, and a center-mounted airbag, offering enhanced protection for all passengers during side impacts. Using traffic sign recognition, ICC adjusts your cruising speed automatically, ensuring a safer and more comfortable drive. The Mazda CX-60 earned a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP, reflecting its robust construction, advanced driver assistance systems, and superior crash test performance.